Welcome back to another episode of menacerides. This is going to be the third and final episode on the FZ6 build. We've done a shakedown ride, we've checked it from back to front, everything's good. I'm now going to take it out on a little bit of a longer ride, come back and then review this bike and let you know what I think about it personally, what my opinion is in terms of drivability, power, comfort and the rest of it. So yeah, let's talk more action, let's get onto this bike. Initial impression, I'm very comfortable sitting, comfortable riding height, my legs are good on the ground and I'm not a tall person. Super easy, nice upright position, nice comfortable seat. Lovely day for riding a bike today. There's always a silent thing between bikers of greeting each other and it's actually pretty cool. I hope you saw that. Nice balanced bike. Right guys, I'm going to try to do a 0 to 60 on the FZ6. Just check for cars, climb back on this freeway. I don't think there's a long runway here. Make sure we're good. Do 0 to 60, go. Hopefully I can get a better to 60 here. There was sort of a bit of a rolling start I had going there, only because it's the motorway and I needed to get into that gap. Let this little Mini get ahead. Nobody behind us. Okay, I'm going to stop it right here. And we've got 0. Let's go. What a lovely 600, I love it. So comfy. I could ride this all day long. Looks like everybody is up and about today. It's a lovely day. This little Mini is so neat. Austin Mini Clubman. Maybe we build one of those. I don't know. As you can see, I'm back from my ride out. That's going to conclude our series of the FZ6. Hope you've enjoyed episode 1 and 2. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, I'd recommend you go see episode 1, 2 and then come back and watch this one, only because we've built this bike as a salvage bike. I've now taken it for its final ride out before we sell it. So let's have a look at the bike. It was all damaged this side. Right, that's it. And then it's obviously what I think about the bike. Now, this is based on a personal opinion. I would say, what an awesome bike. Whether you're a novice or an experienced rider, this is going to make fun, or it's going to make for a fun ride every time you climb on it. It is only a 600. The engine's based off the R6 motor. It's just down tuned a little bit, which is perfectly fine because it makes it an enjoyable ride. It's very comfortable, very easy. The riding height is also ideal, I think, even for shorter guys like myself. I'm only 1.8 meters tall. I've got a lot of extra leg room. My wife's quite a bit shorter than me, and she is very comfortable on the motorcycle. Power wise, there's more than enough to lift somebody. There's more than enough to go out and have fun. The braking and the stoppage is also all awesome. I would say it's a good all-round bike. I love it. I think it's fun every time. You're not scared to take it to through the rev range to its max. It's not one of those bikes that are going to scare you like a super bike. It is a sports tourer. And I think they've done a fantastic job in making it what it is, and that's a sports tourer. It's a bike to be enjoyed on weekends. It's a bike to go out on long drives and be comfortable. The upright riding position is ideal for anybody that suffers from back pains and the rest of it, and you want to still be on a motorcycle. The stoppage is awesome with the ABS brakes and that. Styles, looks, and the rest of it as a sports tourer, I'd say it's about an 8.5 out of 10. That's probably very biased only because it's my opinion, and I like super bikes, I like scramblers. As a semi-naked bike, you also get full naked bikes like the MT-07s are out there, and that also nice riding bikes and that. Sort of prefer those looks to the FZ6, but you know what, this is an awesome looking bike for its age as well. I mean, it's only a 2010. Would I recommend it? 100%. If you've just got your full license and you wanting to get into out rides and green laning or a little bit of adventure riding, touring, this is it. Acceleration wise, it's all you need. I'm used to it a little bit faster, but I mean, this is fun. It puts a smile on my face every time I start it and ride it. It's just so fun. You don't feel scared at all riding it. It's quite a confidence builder in terms of a bike. So I think that's it for these 3 episodes. I wish you guys would like and subscribe. We're going to do, I think our next video series is going to be on a YZF R1, where I'll show you guys how I respray the rims, get the bike looking nice again, get it through MOT. There's also going to be a video attached to that of how I got the bike through MOT. There's a little cheat in that. So if you guys want to see how we get our bikes through MOT when you've got a couple of issues, show you a couple of tricks that they can't say no to. Yeah, like, subscribe, enjoy. It's been fun.